Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking around for the most comfortable, versatile office chair, stop looking around because you have found the right one here, and it's this ergonomic mesh office chair. This ergonomic mesh office chair with adaptive lumbar support is so unique. My husband and I really appreciated it when we received the package. Everything was so neatly explained, the instructions were very clear, and the little package where the screws come were labeled with a letter, which that made it so much easier for my husband to assemble it. When he started assembling this, we both noticed that this is not any typical chair. This is actually 10 years of investing on research into ergonomic products. Everything was so thoughtfully made. When you sit down, you relieve your low back pressure. It also lifts up your spine and helps you decompress your lumbar disc. This is great. I really liked how the footrest support makes it very unique. And this footrest support has a rod and a connector that are made out of steel, so it's very durable and stable. It's super comfortable. I love the cushion it provides, and you can even just lay down, enjoy, read, take a nap. This is the best chair ever. I'm confident that if you're working from home, this chair will really make the difference. I highly recommend it. My husband and I have been loving it, and that is just my point of view.